Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Nissan Pathfinder. First, ensure your vehicle is safely in park. Then, locate the phone button on your dashboard or touchscreen and press it. From the phone menu, you will see options like Connect New Device or Add Phone. Select this option to begin the pairing process. This prepares your vehicle to find your mobile device. Now, grab your mobile device and go into its settings to turn on Bluetooth. Your phone will then start searching for nearby devices. Look for My Car or Nissan Pathfinder in the list of available devices on your phone's screen. Once you see it, tap to select it. The system may then prompt you for a 4-digit PIN, usually 0000 or 1234. After entering the PIN, a confirmation code should appear on both your vehicle's display and your phone. Make sure these codes match, then confirm on both devices. Your phone will now indicate that it is successfully connected to your Nissan Pathfinder's Bluetooth system. You are now ready to make and receive calls and stream audio, all completely hands-free for a safer driving experience. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your phone and your vehicle's infotainment system, then repeat the steps. Also, double-check that your phone's Bluetooth is set to discoverable. Sometimes, simply turning Bluetooth off and on again on your phone can resolve minor glitches. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your connected driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.